Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer employee training into Docebo using AI workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Docebo account. From the dashboard, navigate to the admin section. Locate the courses tab in the menu. Click on add new course to create a new training module. Use the course template that best fits your training needs. Fill in the course title and description for clarity. Next, proceed to the content section of the course. Choose to upload training materials or link to existing resources. If using AI, select the AI Workflows option. Configure the AI settings to automate content integration. Specify the types of training materials you want to include. Ensure that the content is relevant to the course objectives. Confirm that you have all necessary permissions for the materials. Once set up, click on Save to store your course settings. Test the AI workflow to ensure it pulls in the correct content. Review the content to verify quality and alignment with training goals. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing the course. Next, navigate to the Users section to assign trainees. Select the employees who will be enrolled in the course. Assign any additional roles or permissions needed for the course. Communicate the training schedule and expectations to the employees. Monitor progress through the Docebo reporting tools. Use feedback to continuously improve the training materials. Regularly update the course content as needed to keep it current. Celebrate achievements and encourage completion among trainees. End by reviewing the overall training outcomes and impact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.